Good afternoon, student. This is the chapter number 2, MS Access queries, forms, and report. In previous topic, you was learn that how to create a form through form design. Today, your topic is how to create a form part 2. That means in this topic, you will learn how to create a form with the help of the form wizard. So let's start. Before creating a form, it's very important to first you have to create a table. So already I have created one table, that is a student table 4. So first you create a table. After that, click on the create button. When you click on the create button, you have found the form tool, that is form, split form, multiple forms, and more forms and form design. Then click on the more forms and click on form wizard. When you click on the form wizard, the form wizard dialog box will appear on your window. First you have to define the table, which table you want to use. Like you can choose for more than one table or query. That means in this form wizard you can also use queries or form or table both. So here we use a one table, that is student table 4. Now first you all the available field shifted into selected field one by one, like this. Single arrow, that means you can select one field at a time, and double arrow, that means all the fields are selected at once. After that, click on the next button. After that, what layout would you like for your form? It's a columnar type or tabular type or data sheet or notified. So you can choose the columnar or you can choose the tabular type. It depends on your requirement. So you have to choose the particular layout. After that, click on the next button. In the next button, what style would you like? Whatever style you want, you can choose the particular style for your forms. Like there are multiple of a style for creating a form, so you can choose the particular style for the forms like this and click on next button. Now what the do you want for your form? Is student tables, or first you have to write the forms. Choose whether you want to open the form to view it or modify the design form. So if you want to modify your design form, then click on the modify form, or open the form for view or enter the information. So here we choose open the form for the view or enter information. And student table 5, that means you write the name of the form. For example, students forms. And after that, click on finish button. When you click on the finish button, this form wizard create a forms with your data also. That means in this form you can see your data also. So this is the form form where you can create your forms or enter your data. For example, there are different 3 view to views your form. 3 ways to views your form. The first is a form view, second is a layout view, and third is a design view. So form view, that means you can enter or edit your information in the form view. Here we have a 10 records. One by one you can check your records. And we are working in a Layout view where you can change the appearance of your form. That means if you want to change the font color, then click on the particular color of the fonts. You can change the size of the fonts. If you want to change, then choose the size of the fonts. Select the particular form and change the size of the forms like this. Choose the particular field and change the color and style. So you can change the size and style of the form. You can change also the size of field. Select one by one and change the style. If you want a bold, then use the bold also. So that is the use of layout view. That means you can change the appearance of your forms. Even you can change the format of your forms. If you want a new format, then use the appearance of the forms also like this. So that is the layout view. And next is a design view. Design view, that means if you want to add a new field in your form, then you can add a new field or through this design view. And design view allow you to design a form that include a header and footer. You can include it, image you can include it, and control which field appear on the form. So that is the work of design view. And form view, the work of a form view, this is the form view. So the work of the form view, you can enter the information for like for example, we have a 10 record. Now we want to add a new record. So click on the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar in bottom of your form. You can see here, this is the navigation bar. Click on the new blank record. A new record is appear, that is student ID, like Rita Rai. We write here Rita Rai. Rita Rai, class 8th, age 12, email ID gmail.com. So that is the, that means 11 of 11. That means we have a 11 records, and you can see these record in your table also. So when you click on the table, it will show the Rita, it's a 11 of 11. This is the 1, 2, 3, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, or that is 11. So you can check your result. Student form. So it will show like this. So that is the work of form. So there are two ways to create a form. The first is a form design, or second is a form wizard. In both the way you can create your forms. Or if you want to see the views, so there are three views of form. The first is a form view, second is a layout view, and third is a design view. So now student, in the next video I will explain you how to preview the forms. And today your homework is what are the three ways to view form in MS Access. So you have to find out this answer, that what are the three ways to view form in MS Access. Till then, goodbye.